Well, after almost over a week, I think, here in Hopetown, we're ready to head south. And we found a buddy boat. We're gonna head down with Isabella, a sailing vessel Isabella with Alex and Taylor, and we're gonna buddy boat down and try to get to Spanish Wells, and then slowly make it down to what's supposed to be a flotilla with the Young Cruisers Association, which is also around here. We've had a few gatherings and get-togethers on the beaches and celebrated birthdays and did all the fun stuff. And there's a flotilla in Shroud Key in about 2 weeks. So we're gonna try to hit that. And oh, my nose is so red. Anyway.
I'm Therese and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel.
Cody's filling the last few gallons of water, and I am trying to edit this video or get that rendered before we go, possibly also uploaded to YouTube. We'll see. And so I'm hanging out down here. But either way, it's a beautiful day. Not that good for really sailing south, but tomorrow will be the best day this week to go to Spanish Wells, so we're gonna have to just grab that window if we don't want to hang out here for weeks. Get to warmer water, get to fishing, get to our happy place. Well, this is a happy place, Hopetown. Stop by here. If you haven't been to Hopetown, stop by. And if you have been, leave a comment below and tell us about your experience, because we had the best time here for sure. Okay, let's go. Morning fun time here.
No crying.
No crying. Family hoisting dinghy time. Cody's checked the cut with our friends, and yeah, we're gonna head out here in a second.
Early morning sails can be so relaxing and nice, but the preparations for it after Millie have become more stressful than they used to be. She suffers from some kind of separation anxiety, and every time one of us, especially me, step out on deck to get anything done, we get a major breakdown. This has resulted in a want to get these things done quickly. Either way, we were about ready for a nice day sail to Spanish Wells.
Happy?
This is the north cut in the Abacos.
Yeah,
It's,
north of Leonard.
North of Leonard Key, yeah. In between Leonard and Toulouse.
Smooth sailing.
Wow,
Coming in here a couple weeks ago, I was in the V berth with Millie,
look at this way.
and whoa! See, I never have the camera in the right angle, whatever. There's like huge swell, but they're so perfectly spaced out right now. We're just like over, under. Yeah, but coming in here was a wild ride. I wasn't even awake and it was kind of dark. Don't do that. End of story. Took him about 2 seconds to just realize I didn't set up this.
We weren't fishing yet.
Problem.
No, we're waiting until we get to the 300-foot mark.
Alright, waiting on the wall here.
You got your sea legs? Oh, you do? You got snacks? Hold on, here comes a big roll. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, big boat. Big boat. Big boat. Oh, big boat. Yep.
I guess a lot of people would use this as an vantage point to make a thumbnail. I'm not going to do that because I'm a responsible mother, but I am tanning my butt right now. That's all I'm going to say. All right, peace out.
Sailing with a tiny crew member is different. We used to pretend to be performance sailors, adjusting sails, having fun, and trying to never use the engine, but there is a few things that has changed, and one of them is the need to get there within a decent time frame. Not that we can't still take our time, but the sailing part of the journey isn't the real task anymore. It's the being a happy family underway part. In this scenario, that means making sure we are safe sailing and entertaining a 1-year-old with no room to roam free while she's awake.
No, I think that's the only boat. It's the one we're headed at. What are you doing? Huh? Yogurt? What are you doing, Yogurt Mouth?
She's
We're gonna go, we just met a buddy boat, and they have a friend coming in that ended up renting a boat for the day, and we were invited to go out on it, so it's a mad rush right now, but we're almost ready, and we're gonna go and have, I think, a bit of fun today, doing some spear fishing. Hopefully have some fish for tonight for a little bonfire fish fry.
Oh yeah.
All right, we'll see how this goes.
Yes, you see him?
So you're in a hurry.
There he is.
Well, you gotta calm down. We're all friends around you. Just join the fun.
You want lobster?
If you're in a hurry,
How many do you want? Should we order some? Yeah.
should enjoy
Out
the
here.
fruits of life instead of chasing coins. 'Cause it's a beautiful day.
Give her a memory here. That's a good shot.
Forget the rush you're in and find a good spot. Sit down and join us as we sing a good song. Keep back, relax, and just follow along. Oh, we got plenty of time. Begin it easy, won't cost you a dime. Throw another log onto the fire. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
This is my new director.
Always be filming.
I'll be the producer.
How's it look?
Good, I'm just trying to zoom in on Therese's butt.
Oh my god. Millie!
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 Hi!
Hi! Millie!
Yeah, it's very bright. No one can.
She's like, where's my sunglasses? Alright, Millie, you ready? I think I got you. Alright, 1, 2, 3,
So you're in a hurry. Well, you better calm down.
Okay.
We're all friends around you. Just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins.
Trying to get the perfect group shot, as you must, proved to be difficult, but after a few attempts, at least we captured enough memories to last and remember the fun. The guys caught some fish and a calm night on the beach with a bonfire and a highly entertaining Eurovision Song Contest dinner later, we ended a perfect visit to Spanish Wells.
Oh yeah.
You see how much poop that's up there?
Forget your luxury and find a good spot. Sit down and join us as we sing a good song. Keep back, relax, and just follow along. We got plenty of time. Beginning easy won't cost you a dime. Throw another log onto the fire. It's a beautiful day.
Take it, baby.
Come on, let's play.
Oh, he's carrying coconuts now. It is smart. Yeah. We did not do it. Didn't do it. Not at all.
But I think